Hello friend, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix system cooling policy option is missing under power option window in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Usually system cooling policy option is available under processor power management. In case it's not there or unavailable, then here is how you can add. So the process of adding system cooling policy is super easy. What you need to do is open command prompt with admin rights. For that, click on the search icon available on the taskbar. Then you need to type cmd. When command prompt appear in the search results, select run as administrator. UAC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Now here you need to copy paste this command. I have already added it in the description. Once done, hit enter. Once you get this message that the operation completed successfully, you can minimize or close the command prompt window. After that, you need to open power option window again, and for that click on the search icon and type power plan. When edit power plan option appear in the search results, click to open it. Now here you need to click on change advanced power settings. Now in the power option advanced setting window, you need to head over to processor power management. Click here, and now you can see that this time system cooling policy is available. So you can see that process is super easy. Now you can use this setting according to your choice. In case you want to remove the system cooling policy or you want to restore the changes, then again you need to open command prompt with admin rights, and this time you need to execute this command. I have added this command in the description. Hit enter, and once cursor move to next line, your command is executed successfully and you have removed system cooling policy. So that's it guys. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.